Why do you kiss the ground I walk on? You should be spitting on my grave. I'm so tired. If I could just rest. I'm the Seagull. No, that's not right. I'm an actor. Yes. So he's here, is he? It doesn't matter. He didn't have time for the theater. He made fun of my ambitions. It wore me down. The rows, the jealousy, and then the baby. All the worry. My acting went to pot. I didn't know what to do with my hands, how to walk, use my voice. You have no idea what it feels like when you know you're acting badly. I'm the Seagull. No, that's not right. Do you remember when you shot that seagull? Then a man comes along and, for want of anything better to do, he destroys her. An idea for a short story. No, it's not right. What was I saying? Ah yes, the theater. But things have changed. I'm making a go of it now. I feel like I finally understand what to do, how it works, that I can go out there and really nail it. Revel in it. Just being good. Coming here has helped, in a way. Given me a chance to walk and think and... Do you know what? I finally know, Kostya. Finally understand that whatever our work, writing, acting, it's not about fame or fortune or the things we used to dream about. It's having the strength to keep going. You have to take up your cross and have faith. That's what I've done. Then the rest doesn't hurt so much. And when I think about my vocation, I'm not afraid anymore.